Coming up in this video, we are taking old fashions to a whole different level. Apple, plum, ginger. Welcome back, whiskey fans. I'm in heaven because I've just tried this. You know I film my videos back to front, and I've just tried because I was doing the little screen grabs when I... Oh my God, this is absolutely magical. It's another kind of old-fashioned riff inspiration for you. I've gone on for the Jack Daniel's Jack Daniel's apple. I was thinking honey, but I knew it began with an A, and I went honey. Jack Daniel's honey, technically a whiskey liqueur, 35% ABV, 70 proof, but oh my God, this is so flipping tasty. Love it. Oh, it's proper nice. So you need to hook yourselves up with a bottle of this. As I've just said, I've gone old-fashioned crazy. The inspiration for this came from crumbles. For some reason, even though it's like spring, I've been craving crumbles recently, like proper. I don't know what the Americans call them. Do you call them crumbles over there? I don't know. Pies, you know, pies with like crumble topping. Anyway, what's other thing? Apple, plum notes, ginger. It's kind of autumn. I don't know why. Don't ask me why. I know it's autumnal, but sod it. I went for it. Oh my God, this is absolutely delicious. And I know I say delicious a lot. I need a new word. Amazeballs. There we go. This is absolutely amazeballs. I'm just going to guzzle this. So good. Whiskey forward. Really is whiskey forward. But just got the little bit of sweetness in there. And the plum notes, just, I love apple and plum. I really love it. Let's dive into showing you how to make this. Right, let's quickly talk you through the ingredients before we make the cocktail. Obviously, I've got some of my apple Jack Daniel's. I've got some King's ginger liqueur. It doesn't look like that anymore. They've changed the brand. There's a little bit left in there before I get a new bottle. I've got some sugar syrup and I've got some Fee Brothers Plum Bitters. I always call it Laffy for some reason, like the absinthe brand, but Fee Brothers Plum Bitters. Stirred down cocktail, old fashions, of course they are. Right, 60 ml double bubble, 2 ounces of your JD apple whiskey. Right, already the smells, already the little whiffs are going around. Ginger liqueur. This is quite feisty ginger liqueur and it's quite strong as well. But I'm going half an ounce, 15 ml of ginger. We're going for a little bit because obviously it's feisty. I'm going for 10 ml, a third of an ounce of sugar syrup or gum, whatever you want to call it. So a third of an ounce of that. And then my plum bitters. These, I realise, you know what, I haven't used these for flipping ages. I love them. It goes into my signature cocktail that I created for my business nearly 10 years ago now. I used to go through so many of these. And it was very imaginative. It was called the Thirsty Teeny because my business limited company name's Thirst First. So called it the Thirsty Teeny. Oh, lovely. Right, I'm going 4 dashes. 1, 2, 3, 4. There we go. Plum. Apple, plum, ginger. Oh, it's going to be good, isn't it? It's going to be good. Right, a little bit of ice. Pop that down in there. Fill that up. And then the exact science for this, everyone knows this when you're doing old fashions and that, it's the exact science. You have to do it for 37 revolutions, okay? So 37, 1, 2, I'm messing, you know. My general, sorry, I've had a lot of ego tenders come at me recently. So my general rule of thumb, it doesn't really matter, but I try and double the amount of liquid in the glass. So the dilution, so obviously you're diluting the ice to double the amount. That's my thing anyway. So rapido stir, it could be 30 seconds, could be a minute, whatever. Right, I'm just looking at the old timer on the camera there. 4, 3, 2, 1. There we go. 90 seconds, that was. Right. I'll tell you what. Woo-hoo. Right. Glass. I love these Diablo kind of that. I've got a ball of ice. It's not crystal clear. We don't really care. I'm just going to put a ball of ice in there. I've lost my strainer. There it is. I should really be all proper, shouldn't I? I never use this. It gets all lonely left in there. My little julep strainer. And there we go. Oh, yeah. Then the garnish, I have outdone myself. You know, I've only gone and done a little apple fan, you know, little apple fan. I tell you what, people will start talking about me soon, won't they? There we go. Oh, and it don't sit on the cocktail, but there we go. It's like a little apple fan there. Failed. Oh, popping up on screen right there will be even more JD cocktails for you to dive into. As always, give us a big old thumbs up if you like me, if you like the video, and if you want to watch more of my content, make sure you subscribe to the channel.